Shay Witt and Chelsea Graylin and Camry Gordon. Her oath will be delivered by Judge Tim Irwin. Ms. Witt, are you ready?
I am.
Repeat after me. I, Sherry Witt,
I, Sherry Witt,
having been elected to the office of County Clerk
to the office of County Clerk
for Knox County, Tennessee,
for Knox County, Tennessee,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will perform
that I will perform
with fidelity
with fidelity
the duties of the office
the duties of the office
to which I have been elected,
to which I have been elected,
and which I am about to assume,
and which I am about to assume,
that I will support,
that I will support,
obey, and defend
obey, and defend
the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the State of Tennessee,
the Constitution of the State of Tennessee,
and the Charter of Knox County,
and the Charter of Knox County,
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
and perform the duties of my office
the duties of my office
without prejudice,
without prejudice,
partiality,
partiality,
or favor,
or favor,
to the best of my skill and ability,
to the best of my skill and ability,
that I have neither given
that I have neither given
nor will I give
nor will I give
to any person
to any person
any gratuity, gift, or fee,
any gratuity, gift, or fee,
or reward
or reward
in consideration
in consideration
of his support
of his support
for said office,
for said office,
that I have neither sold
that I have neither sold
nor offered to sell,
nor offered to sell,
nor will I sell
nor will I sell
my interest in said office,
my interest in said office,
and that I will properly
and that I will properly
account for and turn over all excess fees of my office
all excess fees of my office
as required by law.
as required by law.
So help me God.
So help me God.